Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm getting ready to decorate my table and we are having tea. So come on with me guys. As you can see, I just made this beautiful arrangement right here on the center of my table, and that fur runner, it is gorgeous. Along the back, I have all of my lemons because it is summertime, and this looks amazing. So this gorgeous grand candle holder right here was a thrift flip, and this was actually a lamp. I'm gonna see if I find the video and link it below. It is gorgeous. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Summer Day High Tea, and it's being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now the co-hosts are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, and Decorating with Jazzy Green. So let's get started decorating, guys. I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. Now, the greenery placemats, that came from Hobby Lobby. The pink chargers, that was a thrifted item. And those beautiful pink plates, those were bought at Michael's. Now the salad plate was thrifted and it's such a delicate design on these dishes. I love them. And then I went ahead and made a rosette out of these plum napkins that I also thrifted. Now we also have the regular napkins, those are white, and those were thrifted also. And the napkin rings, those came from Party City. Now, did you see those absolutely gorgeous wine glasses? Those were thrifted and I was so happy to score them. Now the water glasses were also thrifted and the flatware came from Party City. Now let's start setting up for tea. So the tray that I have set up here, that came from the Dollar Tree. And then we have the entire tea set here that was thrifted. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the white. Now, the cookies that I'm gonna serve with the tea are still in the oven. Those will be out momentarily. Now I'm lighting the candle, so you know what that means. We're gonna head on over to the reveal. I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Stay tuned till the end so you can see what I'm serving with tea. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and remember, God bless you.